Join us at Future Phone Flash as we uncover the latest leaks about Samsung's highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6. With Galaxy Unpacked just around the corner, we're excited to share an exclusive glimpse into this cutting-edge foldable device. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for all the latest updates. Insider insights on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 design. Thanks to trusted insider Ice Universe, we've got an early look at the Galaxy Z Fold 6. These leaks provide detailed angles and insights into the design of this next-gen foldable, showcasing dummy units used for thorough testing by peripheral manufacturers. Enhanced display experience with the Galaxy Z Fold 6. One of the stand-up updates is the wider cover screen on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. While it's not a drastic change from its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Fold 5, this slight increase in width promises a more immersive viewing experience. Get ready for improved display quality across social media feeds, email inboxes, and other content. Sleek and functional design of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Samsung has refined the design of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, giving it a sleeker and more functional appearance. The boxier shape not only enhances internal volume but also reduces corner radius. As a result, you can expect sharper corners on both the cover screen and the internal display, offering more screen real estate and a polished aesthetic. What feature are you most excited about? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest in mobile technology. Thank you for joining us at Future Phone Flash, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.